Just getting started at Comicon 2018. We in the building. We built our grid wall. We got a whole lot of boxes to go through. We've been packing for the past couple days. It's gonna be a crazy weekend. We got the art show opening at Statix. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. Hell yeah.
You're on Candid TV. This is it. Peter's about to die. Rest in peace, my friend.
What did you do? Did you text me or email me? I don't know. Merching stuff. We got stickers. We got koozies. We got more stickers. We got Rick and Morty mystery boxes. We got business cards, y'all. Business cards.
We even got them business cards, you know?
Hey.
Hey.
We're on our way to Comicon. We've got like 5 hours of sleep.
Yeah.
We've been setting up for 2 days. We have an art show opening tonight at Statix at our gallery. It's called Saturday Mornings, all about childhood cartoons. But first we gotta put in a long day at Comicon, day one. So it's gonna be good. The booth is set up, it's looking good. Yeah, we're exhausted, but this is just the beginning. So let's...
But we got big ass coffees. Love and coffee. That's
I'm just ready to just bask in the nerd glory. I have 4 helpers. I got Chelsea, my sister, Kyle, my friend Patrick, Tony. I wanted to shoot some more video of setting up the booth and setting up the art show, but we were just so slammed, like I didn't even have a second to pull out my camera, so.
Yeah, it took us till midnight last night to hang the art show, so.
We love Comicon, we love nerds.
We love nerds, we are nerds.
We love geek stuff, we love anime, we love toys, we love it all. So I think Comicon is just starting, the doors are just opening. We got the first people coming in. Hopefully today's crazy busy to make it all worth it. This is the view from my booth. These are my neighbors. Stickers, nerd shirts, whatever that stuff is. Sculptures. Dave Korea, that's pretty rad. Those are the homies down there, IH squared. And here's my booth.
Okay.
Get it right.
You got me there.
This guy.
Find the missing Pokemans.
Oh, fighting.
Left Comicon a little bit early today because we had to get down to the gallery to set up for Saturday mornings too. An art show at our shop, Statix. I'm wearing my cartoon character onesie. If you can, the first person to name who this character is and what this show is from in the comments, I'll send you a free 6-pack of stickers. But you have to name the name of the character and the name of the show. Still got people helping us at Comicon right now, but me and wifey need to come down to the gallery to set up for the show. And I feel a little bit awkward walking around in this, but tonight's gonna be awesome. We have live painting, we have live music by 52 Kings, we got free drinks, a whole bunch of artists making super dope art about cartoon characters and childhood, nostalgia, and hopefully a bunch of people show up and it's super fun.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and wifey is dressing as another cartoon character. Bonus respect points.
I'll show.
If you can name her character and her show, then you don't get anything else for free besides the stickers, but you get extra bonus respect points from this guy. So yeah, we're in Pioneer Square, Seattle. Let's go down to our shop Statix and get this show started. This is my piece for the show. It's called Nerdgasm. All my favorite things. Freak. Yo, this piece is pretty dope when you shine your flashlight through it. Make them dance, make them dance. The show has started just 6 now and it's been pretty popping the whole time. Usually it's a ghost town for our other shows until like 6:30. I think tonight's gonna be fun. Tell the people who you are.
I'm nobody. I go by Rico.
This is 7 in the building. And what's your name?
Naomi.
Naomi Haverland
Yes, Naomi.
in the house. She pities the fool.
Yo.
Hey, who are you?
Solace Wonder, baby.
Yeah, the one and only. This how I do, this how I do. There's an artist? Yeah!
Yo, it's 52 Kings in this thing. You have Statix. You already know you rocking with the best. Saturday mornings, number 2.
That guy looks focused.
We're out here doing it. Statix 2018, Saturday mornings. Charge one.
Gotta drop the one.
Dude, the monster chairs. Yo, chairs. Like,
Like if you sit in it, you might get eaten.
It's been a crazy night. It's been a crazy night.
So tired. Comicon Day 2.
It's been so busy and so crazy that we haven't really been filming that much, but today's Saturday. Yesterday was cracking. Today's cracking. What do you guys think? Chelsea?
Oh, sorry. Oh, this? It's just my highlight. No, it's good. It's cracking. What you
We
said.
got Kyle in the building. Sunglasses on, blocking out the haters. We had to reload on inventory this morning because we sold out of a bunch of stuff, which is pretty cool. Comicon, it's Sunday. Hopefully today is the day that everybody's like, I gotta buy stuff, it's the last day. It's been popping.
Yeah, it's a little crowded.
It's a little crazy back here. It's been better than last year. Yeah, so catch us next year. Comicon 2019.
Hey, sir, can I buy everything?
I'm gonna slap you with this. It is I, Captain Surreal. Beep. This is the ending. It's the ending of the story. It's the ending.
Never-ending story.
Look, Patrick's carrying heavy stuff. Chelsea has 2 backpacks. Kyle's carrying heavy stuff. What am I doing? Nothing. Forklift coming through. Tower of T-shirts is detowering pretty fast. They got it down to a science. This place looks so boring now.
The bowels of the conventions.
Done.
Done and done.
We out here.
Okay, alright.
Akira.
That crazy kid.
Oh, snap. Bro.
Looking full. You know, we fit all this in 2 cars.
That's the 1000 Empire reduced to shambles.
There's no room for me to sit.
I'm like, oh, I gotta film, guys. Sorry, just go ahead and load it up. All right, that's it. That's the end of Comic-Con 2018. We did it. This is the crew. We're tired. We were awesome. It was cool. Yeah, goodbye, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe.